Hello, class. Today we're going to be doing the Chapter 2 Reader's Guide for the Hope Chest. If you have not found this in your Elevate book, please pause the video, pull out your Elevate book, and find these 2 pages. Okay, let's read the directions. After reading Chapter 2 of the Hope Chest, look at this artwork inspired by the chapter and answer the following questions. Yesterday, we worked really hard on synonyms and antonyms, and we read Chapter 2. If you have not done yesterday's lesson, please stop the video and go do yesterday's lesson. You cannot do today's lesson without doing yesterday's. All right. Let's go ahead and continue. Here is the artwork in your book. Take a good look at it. How does the illustration reflect the description in the text? Refer to details in the text. Okay, please pause the video and write down 1A. When you're ready, press play. Okay, you should have 1A done. We're doing this assignment together, so if your answer is a little bit different and you need to fix it, please do that. The artwork shows a reporter in the trenches. This connects to pages 26 and 27 when Violet tells Mrs. Renwick that she would like to be a reporter. And we're quoting here because remember it says to refer to details in the text. So we're going to quote from the text. Like Nellie Bly. She filed news from the trenches in Europe. You know, during the war. Was your answer for 1A the same? Did you say that the artwork showed a reporter in the trenches? If not, fix it. Did you refer to details in the text? If not, please do so by copying what I put down in 1A. Let's go to 1B. What does the artwork help you understand about this scene that the text does not? Please pause the video and go ahead and write down what you think. When you're ready for an answer, press play. Okay, you should have put something like this. The artwork shows us what being in the trenches during the war actually means. Soldiers were hiding in deep holes, looking over the top for the enemy. Did you put something like this? If your answer is something totally different, please fix your answer. Let's move on. Number 2, Chloe calls her car the Hope Chest. But What is a hope chest really? Which phrases in the text best help you understand the meaning of the hope chest? Please pause the video and write down what you think. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Okay. Let's go ahead and answer this. On page 21, notice how we're referring to the text. We're using evidence. It says that a hope chest was a big wooden trunk that a girl was supposed to fill with things she'd need when she was married. So important to use evidence to support our answer. Did you write something like that? Did you use evidence to support your answer? If you didn't, please fix your answer. Press pause if you need to fix your answer and play when you're ready. Let's move on to 3A. On page 24, Mrs. Renwick says that young ladies should not travel unaccompanied on the train. If accompany means to go somewhere with someone as a companion or a guide, what do you think unaccompanied means? Please pause the video and write down your answer. Hit play when you're ready for the answer. Okay, let's go ahead and answer this. What do you think unaccompanied means? Alone without a companion or a guide. Oh, now we get to the fun part. Yesterday we learned about synonyms and antonyms. Can you think of another word that means the same as unaccompanied or alone without a companion or guide? Pause the video and answer B. When you're ready, press play for the answer. Okay, if you put alone, that will work. Let's move on to C. What is an antonym for unaccompanied? Can you think of a word that means opposite of alone? Remember yesterday, that's what we learned, that antonyms are words that are opposite meaning. Pause the video, write down your answer. Hit play when you're ready. Okay, if you put something like together, you were correct. Nice job. If you didn't, go ahead and fix it. Number 4. What does Mrs. Renwick think of women and men having equal rights? How do you know? Okay, if you need to go back and take a look in the hope chest, go ahead and do that. Pause the video and go ahead and answer number 4 on your own. When you're ready for your answer to be checked, press play. Okay, let's go ahead and answer number 4. She doesn't think men and women should have equal rights. She doesn't think women should be doctors or reporters or vote. And she doesn't think women can be anything they want to be. She says on page 28, we're going to put quotation marks because we're quoting here from the book. If women go out being doctors and reporters and demanding to vote, then how can they expect men to protect them anymore? Oops. Okay. Notice how we use evidence from the text to support our answer. That's what good readers do. We always check the text to support. All right. Nice job, friends, answering these questions. Go ahead and fix anything you might need to.